In this tutorial, I will show you that how can fix Steam disk write error in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. So there are 3 steps to fix this. So for the step 1, from your desktop, you can click on the search and search for Task Manager and open it. From this processes, it will show here this Steam. Right click on that and select End Task from here. Then you need to open this details from upper side and scroll it down until you find this steam.exe. Right click on that and select End Process Tree. Confirm it. Then for the second step, from your desktop, click on this search and search for Steam. You can run as administrator. You will be on this drawer. You need to open this library. You can right click on any of the game and open properties from here. You will be on this general. You need to open this installed files and click on this verify integrity of game files. It will start verifying, and after verification, click on this Steam app that's showing left upper side and open its settings. From this account, you can open your downloads and here it will show you this download region. You need to make sure that your download region is near to your location. So these were the 2 steps to fix this. If the problem is still there, then you can try this second method. From your desktop, click on this search and search for apps and features and open it. From here, scroll it down or search for Steam. Open it and simply you can uninstall it and then you have to install it again. So these were the fixes to fix Steam disk write error in just few easy steps.